Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your honorable examiners, thank you for allowing me to. So today I can present my study in this seminar proposal. Well, this study was raised because the dilemmas between the potential and threats of using AI tools in academic writing. To handle these phenomena, I conducted action research to solve the students' English academic writing issue by introducing the benefits and weaknesses of AI tools through the blended learning method flexibility. Then the students' learning experience was analyzed using the experiential learning cycle theory by David Cope. Okay, well, based on the observation of the research subject, the general problem of the students was the difficulty in determining the topic for research. And after reviewing a few students' writing from their previous semester assignment, I found incoherence between the research background writing and its title. What they wrote was too general, and the passage structure did not follow the department requirement. In addition, the references they used were out of date. Okay? To solve these problems, I conducted an informal course to introduce several AI tools that have potential in academic writing. I carefully introduced five AI tools that can assist them in composing the English research background, such as ChatGPT, SciSpace, PDF, Quillbot, and Grammarly. Nevertheless, AI tools have threats as well. I reviewed a few students' writing and interviewed the writers. I found that their research background before joining the non-formal course indicated ChatGPT usage without filtering first. Because of that, the students' writing did not follow the requirements of their department. Okay, the informal course to introduce AI tools involved the blended learning method. The flexibility of this method is seen from three models such as traditional face-to-face, synchronous, and asynchronous. This method is in line with the nature of this non-formal course because the non-formal course was conducted outside the curriculum of the student department, so I had to adjust to the students' activities. Therefore, the flexibility of this method can avoid disrupting their activities. In addition, this blended learning non-formal course was scheduled over 2 months with meetings. Now I'm going to explain the concept of theory. The experiential learning cycle theory is the learning experience process with four stages: concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. According to David Cole, the context of knowing, the cycle has to begin in the grasping experience mode. In this mode, two stages can start the cycle process: concrete experience or abstract conceptualization. The concrete experience stage refers to the knowledge after practicing, while the abstract conceptualization stage refers to gaining new knowledge after reflection. In addition, there is the transforming experience mode with two stages: reflective observation and active experimentation. The reflective observation stage refers to individuals interpreting the product of learning, while the active experimentation stage refers to individuals doing and developing after gaining knowledge. Okay. Um, Here is an illustration how the theory works in this study. First, students start the cycle from the concrete experience stage by knowing that ChatGPT can write the research background. Then they reflect on the writing at the reflective observation stage and find errors, such as lack of references. After this reflection, they obtain the concept of AI tool to find original references at the abstract conceptualization stage and practice it at the active experimentation stage. In this cycle, um, this cycle repeats to concrete experience stage and a reflective observation stage for the next iteration and continues if there are still errors. Based on the illustration above I explained, the research objective of this study are to investigate the negative and positive impacts of AI tools at each stage of the experiential learning cycle when students compose the English research background and to explore how AI tools and the blended learning method contribute to the number of iterations within the experiential learning cycle during the process of composing the English research background. One of the significance of this study is that the results can highlight establishing and practicing policies for ethical and effective AI usage in English academic writing. Okay. Well, the research design of this study is action research. The population of this study was undergraduate English literature students in Univdu Jombang, and the sample taken was the 17 students from 7th semester who would compose their undergraduate thesis proposal. This table is the list of participants initial. Based on the research objective, I collected the data using observation, interview, and documentation. For analyzing the data, I use descriptive qualitative data analysis theory by Miles et al. With its three main stages: data condensation, data display, and drawing, verifying conclusion. Uh, that's all my presentation of my proposal. Thank you so much for giving attention. Uh, question.